How are you feeling today, River? You got the hiccups? Looks like it hurts a little bit. Ooh. Ooh. Ouch. Ow. I don't know how to get rid of them either. Look at your little legs. Looks like you've been scratching. Look at these daggers. Look at these little things. You got some nails, buddy. We got to do something about that today. Look at those little legs.